Welcome to another One-on-One Mondays. Today we're going to take a look at how you can create your own knowledge base inside of the platform that you can use inside of AI agents, but also, for example, inside of the Flow Builder as a separate action. So first of all, it is important that you are going to connect your OpenAI. Under the integrations tab from the workspace, go towards the artificial intelligence OpenAI and enter your API key. Once it's verified, you are good to go, and we can go inside any of the chatbots in order to create the knowledge base. So once inside, we can go towards AI Hub, and here you will have your knowledge base feature. And as you can see, AI knowledge bases are shared among all bots in the workspace. The way it works is a knowledge base consists out of a vector store, and a vector store will have several files in it. So you could upload your file separately, but what we can do is go and create a new vector store. So let's say, for example, business info. You can also set an expiry. If you don't set it, it will remain at 0, and that means it will not expire. You can, if you already uploaded your files, select them here, or you can upload your files directly from the computer. So let me do that right now. So I've just uploaded my file, and with it, it also created my vector store at the same time. Now, as you can see, I currently only have one file, but we can also add more files to it. So if we are going to press the pencil icon, then we can update the business store information, as you can see here, or we can press files and we can add more files to it. So for example, if we go and we want to use existing files, we can do so, or upload our own files from the computer. So if I'm going to upload a new file, let's go and grab this one. And then from here, we will be able to save it, and it will be added towards the total of the files inside of the vector store. So as you can see, currently it's in progress. And if I refresh, then you will see that it has been added now as well. So if I close and refresh and sync, you will now see that I have 2 files. So now we have a vector store with 2 files, and the files will also be visible here. So if I do another sync, you will see them directly involved. Now, if I go towards the knowledge base, I am now ready to create that knowledge base. If we say press plus, let's say just business info, and you can also give it a description. It's totally optional. And from here, we can use our vector store. So if we're going to press save, we have now created our knowledge base. So the first place that you can use this is by going towards AI agents. And then you can go inside of any AI agent. For example, choose the model responses. So that is an important part, because now it opens up another section called OpenAI responses. From here, you can connect your MCP servers. You can also do a web search if you like to, but the most important part of this video is the knowledge base. And if we press the drop down right now, we can now select our knowledge base. And that means that all the files inside of this knowledge base will now be pulled every single time that the AI agent needs to have a reference to support and create a reply based on the user's question about the business or any other information that you might have uploaded. So this is the way that you can use AI agents and the knowledge base combined. There's also an action inside the Flow Builder which you can use to search the knowledge base. So let's go to that right now. Once inside the Flow Builder, you can go with an action. And from here, go towards integrations, OpenAI. And then from OpenAI, you can now search for the action search knowledge base. You can either scroll down, as you can see, you can find it here. Or if you go and type it in, you will have it directly. You can select your model response, your system message. So this will be your AI prompt, how the AI needs to reply according towards your business information, and as well as the user's input. So in most cases, this will be the last text input of the user. From here, you can select your knowledge base. You can mention the max number of results that will be returned in the file search. So default is 2, but you can set it at more search results that might provide more information if the initial 2 results is coming up empty-handed. You can set your max tokens. So the default is set to 2. For searching a knowledge base, advised is to at least go with 1000 tokens in order to be able to return enough information back inside the result itself. You can also remove certain key values from the payload. If you want to save the entire payload and not exceed the 20,000 character limit for a JSON field, then you also have the ability to remove certain key parameters from the payload itself. This video covered how to create the knowledge base itself using the OpenAI vector store and files to combine them into a knowledge base, use them either inside the AI agent or as a separate action inside of your flow builder. If you have any questions, do let us know and we will help you out as soon as possible. For now, have a great day, take care and talk soon.